Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn daily useful acts and answer phrases. Okay, let's begin. The first one is, who is it? Who is it means in Myanmar, Duga Bedule. Duga Bedule. Okay, speak slowly with me. Duga Bedule. Duga Bedule. Duga Bedule. Correct. And the next one, what is it? What is it means in Myanmar? Eda bale. Eda bale. Eda bale. Eda bale. Eda bale. Very good. And the next one, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it means in Myanmar? Be a shay shibile. 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 Very good. And the next one, how to do this? How to do this means in Myanmar, da belu lo ya le. Da belu lo ya le. Da belu lo ya le. Speak slowly with me. Da belu lo ya le. Very good. And the next one, why? Why means in Myanmar, ba phit lo le. Ba phit lo le. Ba phit lo le. Ba phit lo le. Very good. And the next one, can I ask a question? Means in Myanmar, Tekula Milo Yamala. Okay, speak slowly with me. Okay. Tekula Milo Yamala. Tekula Milo Yamala. Tekula Milo Yamala. Okay. Tekula Milo Yamala. Tekula Milo Yamala. Tekula Milo Yamala. Very good. And the next one, correct. Correct means in Myanmar, Monday. 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 Yes, that's it. And the next one, really? Really means in Myanmar, Tequila. 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 Very good. And sure. Not sure means in Myanmar, Mati Jabu. Mati Jabu. Mati Jabu. Mati Jabu. Mati Jabu. Mati Jabu. Very good. And please say again. Please say again. Okay. Please say again. Please say again. Miss Enya. ပြန်ပြောပေးပါအောင်နော် ပြန်ပြောပေးပါအောင်နော် Okay speak slowly with me ပြန်ပြောပေးပါအောင်နော်ပြန်ပြောပေးပါအောင်နော်ပြန်ပြောပေးပါအောင်နော် Very good and the next one do you understand Do you understand means in Myanmar နားလည်လားနားလည်လားနားလည်လားနားလည်လားနားလည်လား Okay that's it and the next one is I don't understand means in Myanmar နားမလည်ဘူးနားမလည်ဘူး Okay speak slowly with me နားမလည်ဘူးနားမလည်ဘူးနားမလည်ဘူး Okay. And the next one is how much is it? How much is it means in Myanmar? Da belau le. Da belau le. Da belau le. Da belau le. Correct. And the next one is can you help me? Can you help me means in Myanmar ကူညီပေးနိုင်မလားကူညီပေးနိုင်မလား Okay, speak slowly with me. ကူညီပေးနိုင်မလားကူညီပေးနိုင်မလားကူညီပေးနိုင်မလား Very good. Okay. This is the end for this lesson. So thanks for watching and tap to subscribe for more videos. See you next lesson. Thank you.